To use TurboTax Desktop, start by installing the software and launching it on your computer. Once opened, you will be prompted to select the tax year you want to file for and the type of return you need to file, such as personal or business. Next, you will be asked to create an account or login if you already have one. This will allow you to save your progress and access your return from any computer. After logging in, you will be guided through a series of questions to determine which tax forms and schedules you need to complete. TurboTax will then ask you to import your W-2 and 1099 forms, which can be done electronically from your employer or by manually entering the information. You will also be prompted to enter information about your income, deductions, and credits. As you complete each section, TurboTax will guide you through the process and provide explanations and examples to help you understand the tax concepts. You can also use the Help menu or search function to find answers to specific questions. Once you have completed all the necessary sections, TurboTax will review your return for errors and accuracy. You can then pay for and e-file your return, or print and mail it to the IRS. Throughout the process, it is essential to keep accurate and detailed records of your income, expenses, and other tax-related information. This will help ensure that your return is accurate and complete, and that you receive the maximum refund you are eligible for. By following these steps and taking advantage of the guidance and tools provided by TurboTax, you can easily and accurately complete your tax return and minimize the risk of errors or audits. Remember to always keep your tax records and return information confidential and secure, and to seek professional help if you have complex tax situations or questions.